Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 60 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life. In today's video, we are checking an exclusive vacation home in Punta Mita. Let's go, friends. Come here. Come here, Lucas.
There you go.
Sit.
Oh, that's my real estate buddy. I would say best one ever.
That's Lucas. Yeah.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you?
Wow, look at this house. Two families or a group of friends can easily fit in this house.
About you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel?
Friends, if you want to have a unique way to spend your vacation, or you want to recharge after city living, this place is for you.
Can you feel me?
The outdoor living in this house meets the luxury of the finishes, most comfortable beds, and cool features. Like, look at those beds up there.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air.
Palapa style vacations are becoming more and more popular here in Nayarit, and usually are booked up for months and months in advance. I chatted to a few locals who said this is a very safe and quiet spot, so I think it's a perfect vacation place to enjoy the luxury outdoor living and Mexican authentic style.
Can you feel me? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
I'm already fallen in love with this house. I can totally see myself vacationing and surfing in Punta Mita every day.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you?
So this is the closest I could find to the North American trend glamping here in Nayarit. And if you know any other places, please leave me the comments below. My thought about how much would it cost to vacation in this house, I estimate $250 a night or $5,000–6,000 a month in high season. This house is not for rent recently, but after seeing different places in this area and the prices, that is my estimate. So Eduardo is a real estate broker here.
Alright, so if you're looking to fall in love with your area or looking for a dream place, feel free to catch me up at Eduardo at sbrealtors.mx. Thank you.
And I'm gonna put all his information and descriptions below.
Alright.
Good vacation here, friends. Leave me the comments below. Thank you for watching my video and ciao ciao for now.